Welcome back to End Time and Kingdom's Gospel channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for the latest disaster updates and breaking news from around the world. Let's get into today's report. This incident happened on April 28, 2026 in Chittagong, Bangladesh. Heavy rains on Tuesday in Chittagong led to widespread flooding and transportation disruption. Within 30-40 minutes of the onset of the downpour, many areas were underwater, reaching knee to waist deep, and in some places even higher. Roads were inundated, drainage canals overflowed in several places, and homes and shops were flooded. Flooding brought traffic to a virtual standstill. Traffic was temporarily halted at the Chittagong Medical College Hospital. The situation is exacerbated by ongoing canal and drainage system reconstruction, which has disrupted water drainage. Despite flood control projects being implemented for nearly 10 years and approximately 85% complete, the problem remains unresolved. However, residents fear the situation could worsen with the onset of the monsoon season. This incident happened on April 28, 2026 in Springfield, Missouri. Used on April 28. Severe thunderstorms producing large hail struck Springfield, located in the Ozarks region. The storm struck in two stages, around 11:00 a.m. and again around 1:00 p.m. Hailstones reached 5/8 cm in size, with some reaching baseball-sized sizes, especially in a swath from Aurora to Republic, including Springfield itself. The heaviest damage was recorded in the northwest part of the city, near Springfield-Branson National Airport and near the courtyard by Marriott Springfield Airport. Approximately 95% of the approximately 1,500 vehicles were damaged, with a significant number sustaining severe damage, including broken windows and sunroofs. Damage affected homes, commercial buildings, and vehicles throughout the city, including company cars. Damage to gas meters was also reported, prompting residents to be warned of possible gas leaks. A 21-year-old emu died at the Dickerson Park Zoo, another rhea was injured, and buildings sustained damage to roofs and windows. Severe damage was caused to agriculture, particularly at Millsap Farms, where crops, flowers, and infrastructure were damaged. Damage to campers and vehicles was also reported. The storms caused widespread power outages, with nearly 10,000 customers without power, primarily in the northern part of the city. However, power was largely restored by 4:00 p.m. These events followed several days of extreme weather in the region, with tornado warnings in place. Damage assessments are ongoing, and flight delays are possible. This incident happened on April 28, 2026 in Hechai, China. A rock slide caused by prolonged heavy rainfall occurred in Fengshan, Hechai. On April 28, according to local authorities, the collapse occurred on a slope near Donghuanlu Road. The volume of the collapsed rock was approximately 1,000 cubic meters. 2 people were injured in the incident, and traffic was disrupted. The collapse was caused by a decrease in rock stability due to excessive moisture and extensive cracks, which led to the rock separating under gravity. Safety measures have been put in place at the site. The danger zone has been cordoned off, and warning signs have been installed. 130 people from 44 households have been evacuated. Clearance work is underway to eliminate the risk of further collapses.